Vivo v50e review, a stylish mid-ranger with impressive camera and battery. Introduction. The Vivo v50e is a new mid-range smartphone that aims to deliver a premium experience with its AMOLED display, powerful cameras, and long-lasting battery. But does it stand out in a crowded market? Let's dive into the details. Key specifications. Display, 6.77 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate. Processor, MediaTek Dimensity 7300. RAM and storage, 8GB plus 128GB, Non-Expandable. Rear cameras, 50MP, main, plus 8MP, ultra-wide. Front camera, 50MP selfie. Battery, 5600 mAh with 90 watts fast charging. OS, Android v15. Design and display. The Vivo v50e features a sleek, lightweight design with a punch-hole AMOLED display. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling, while the Full HD+ resolution offers vibrant colors and deep blacks. Pros. Black check mark, premium glass back design. Black check mark, thin bezels for an immersive viewing experience. Black check mark, bright and sharp AMOLED panel. Performance and software. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300, the v50e handles multitasking, social media, and casual gaming well. However, heavy gamers might find it slightly underpowered compared to rivals like the iQOO Neo 10R. Software. Runs on Android 15 with Vivo's FunTouch OS. Clean UI with useful customization options. Benchmarks. Geekbench Multi-Core, 2874, decent for daily use. Camera performance. Rear cameras, 50MP plus 8MP 50MP primary, sharp, detailed photos in daylight. 8MP ultra-wide, good for landscapes but struggles in low light. 4K video recording, smooth and stable. 50MP selfie camera. One of the best in its price range. Great for portraits and video calls. Low light performance. Average, needs night mode for better shots. Battery and charging. 5600 mAh battery, easily lasts 1.5 days with moderate use. 90 watts fast charging, goes from 0 to 100% in 42 minutes. Pros and cons. White check mark, pros. Black check mark, stunning AMOLED display with 120Hz. Black check mark, excellent primary and selfie cameras. Black check mark, long battery life plus ultra fast charging. Black check mark, premium design. Cross mark, cons. Cross mark, ultra-wide camera could be better. Cross mark, not the best for heavy gaming. Cross mark, no expandable storage. Should you buy it? Best for users who want a great display and camera. Those who need long battery life and fast charging. Casual users who don't need extreme performance. Final verdict. The Vivo v50e is a well-balanced mid-ranger with a gorgeous display, strong cameras, and excellent battery life. If you prioritize style and multimedia experience, it's a great choice. However, gamers and power users should look elsewhere. Rating, 8/10.